Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Friday, July 26th. The market just closed. I just finished streaming. Had a great time as always. Crazy. Took some crazy trades, but it worked out. If you were there, you saw it happen. You saw it. You witnessed it in the flesh live. If you missed it, go check the stream replay. It was pretty awesome. Worked out good. It could have been really bad, but anyway. With that said, I'm in my Apex account. I keep finding myself doing this. You see this right here? This is my 150K account, which was doing awesome. I was up $1,100 yesterday, I think, after the first day, and then today I was up like $393. And then it's like, I should have known better because I got caught in this dump right here. I went long. I figured we kept hitting the pivot point. So we kept hitting this pivot point here. We kept hitting it and rejecting, hitting it. And a lot of times with the pivot point, if you hit it a bunch of times, it eventually pushes through. So I thought that was going to happen. We were right here at the 34. So I thought we were going to bounce one more time at the 34 and then push up. So I got in, and naturally, what does it do? It literally drops 40 fucking points. And then I got stopped out. I tried adding here at the 21. Didn't care about the 21. I figured maybe it would bounce there. Did not care about the 21. Kept going down. Took a huge loss there. And then I just tried to catch a falling knife. And I just kept losing until the account was completely blown. And it was decent size. It wasn't like huge size. It was like 1 or 2. Then it was 4. So I was trying to catch up. And before I knew it, literally within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 minutes, this account was gone. So as long as I could eliminate this, if I get caught in this dump, either I should go with the dump. Like, I didn't expect this to happen. It just literally happened out of nowhere. We dumped. Look, 91.75 all the way down to, it was like 140 points. But in 2 minutes, right here, 78, in 2 minutes, it went almost 100 points in 2 minutes. And then the red just finished the job. It just was nuts. I got caught in it. It sucks. What am I going to do? And then sure enough, I know what happens anytime I get stopped out. Trying to catch the bounce on a dump. Every time I get stopped out or I nuke an account, when it goes the opposite way, I'll go back in with another account. And I know for sure it's going to fucking every single time, especially on a dump, it's going to bounce. So what did I do? I got in with this account. This account is on day 2, the 50K funded account. And I caught the bounce. And unfortunately, I went up too high. I got out. I actually exited the trade, but I should have set my daily loss, my daily profit limit, so that I didn't violate the consistency rule. So now I went over the consistency rule. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. It just means I have to grow the account more. So let's say, this is 927.60. If I want to get, so basically 900. This is how you do the math. If you go over the consistency rule, this is how you know how much further you have to grow the account. You just in Apex with a funded account. The consistency rule is 30%. So what you do is you take your highest profit day that you went over, you divide by 0.3, 30%, right? So now I know I have to get to $3,092. There were a couple of people in the stream suggesting that I, try to lose $147. Anytime I try to lose money on purpose, I end up getting more money. But even if I was successful at losing money, that means I would take away $147 worth of drawdown if I got it on the money. What if I went down $200? That means I took $200 worth of trailing drawdown away from me, and I'd rather have that drawdown and just push this higher. So yeah, I got to get this to 3,092. Whatever. I have no issue with that. And it's good if I let's say I get it to 3,100, right? Which is what I'm going to try. That's what I'm going to go for. 3,100. I get it to 3,100. Let's say I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I'm just hypothetically speaking. I get it to 3,100, and I request a payout. I get 2,000 taken out, right? So I'll be at 1,100. So 51,100. You can't go below 50,100, right? Once you get over the threshold, I will be 1,000. I'll have $1,000 of drawdown. Plus, I'll also be at $1,100. Whoops. I'll also be at $1,100. Excuse me, which is almost halfway to another payout. So it's not the end of the world. I'm okay with that. And then I got in this trade. This was a crazy one, 84. I took a crazy. The market just loves fucking with me. I don't know what else to say. When did I take this trade? Right here. I got caught in it. Like, I got caught here. It was a no fill J strikes again type of situation. I didn't get filled the first time trying to play the 21, the 5-minute 21 rejection. It went down 10 points, and then I finally did get filled. And what does it do? It goes all the way up. I get stopped out. And sure enough, right after I get stopped out, look what happens. It happens all the time. I got stopped out here, went up a couple more points, and then it dumped. If I would have just held this or got in a better spot, my entry wasn't I don't know. I thought it was a good spot. I was right about the trade. Sure enough, it went down, and then I played this bounce. I literally was like, I was pissed off, and I was streaming. I was like, whatever. I don't give a fuck if I blow this account. And sure enough, like, I added here, and then it went up, and I got to the point where I was up $549. So I got all of the losses back. I was down big. I was within a couple $100 of this account being nuked, and I got it all back plus $549 on day one. So very happy about that. Anyway, I got to make my other video updates. So I got to cut this short, and I'm running out of time before Trade of 8 flips. So Apex is doing their 80% off sale until the end of the month. 80% off any size eval, 1 day to pass, $35 resets, which came in handy this week for sure. $35 resets is super cheap. That's really good. I've never seen it cheaper. And then the 150, 250, and 300K eval accounts with the best coupon code ever to lock in this 80% off deal. They're all $40 when you put in coupon code ZERODAYJAY. You get 80% off any size eval. Put in coupon code ZERODAYJAY, and it's the best coupon code in the world. Has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate according to the prop from streets. I see it in the stream all the time. I can't confirm it with actual data, but if you hang out on my streams, you would see it. You would know that it's magical. And if you want to support the channel, you could use it. If you don't want to support the channel, or you just don't want to use it, you want to use someone else's, no big deal. We're still cool no matter what. The fact that you're watching my videos or subscribe to the channel or hang out on the stream is support enough, and I really appreciate you. But if you want to support it, click the link in the description below to learn more about Apex, and then punch in coupon code ZERODAYJ to lock in the best deal available, which right now is 80%. 80% off. Oh, and that lifetime PA activation fee deal, the $85 deal, one-time $85 activation fee, that's still going until August 15th for the 150, 250, and 300K size evals when you upgrade to pro to funded to PAs. And if you have an Apex account already and you just want to grab more accounts because you're a degenerate like me, just use coupon code ZERODAYJ. You can still use my coupon code. Anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Give a thumbs up. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed so you don't miss any of these updates. And when I stream every single day between 2 and 2. I hop on anytime between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern during New York, and I stream 2 and 3 close. I literally just got off like not even 10 minutes ago. And then I stream during the overnight. I hop on during London anytime between 2:30 and 3:30 a.m. So you get to hang out with me and a bunch of other degenerate prop firm traders. So you're not alone. It's a safe space for degenerate prop firm traders. You get to watch me trade, and you get to hang out with awesome people. So with that said, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.